Today what I'm presenting behind me is the brand new 23-foot travel trailers black label. It's called 2026 Cherokee Black Label 23 MKBL. Now let's go over what does mean 23 MKBL. 23, it's mean 23 model. M is mean mid-slide rear den in the back. So, and then we're gonna go in detail. And black labels, what does mean black labels? Mean smooth gel-coated fiberglass, as you see, frameless window, black label speakers, solid surface countertop, and we go in more details while I'm going through this unit. Now, Cherokee Black Label, nice front, the diamond plate, the metals in the front, the 2 propane tank with the cover, electric stabilizer jack, electric tongue jack, and the electric stabilizer jack. What they did for 26, again, I'm gonna say it, they did drop down the frame to gain more big pass-through storage and big doors. Now, as you see, frameless window. Now, everybody asks me, what is a frameless window? That means I don't need to caulk it. This is the same window as your car. They use the rubber, and when they screw the frame from inside, it suck the window into the frame, and it's sealed, and no need to caulk it. The regular frame window, it has a frame outside, and you have to caulk it once a year to make sure there's no water leak. Now, black label, gel-coated fiberglass, and it's a hung wall. Nice big TV I could put here with outdoor speakers, and here's the plug for the 110 and the cable. I love this black rims. Typical Cherokee, they give you the outside fridge, the ice maker, hot and cold outside shower this side. Actually come with 2 outside shower, one on this side and one the other side. Easy entry assistant handle, 2-step to get in, folding, place for your dogs, leash, or you could tie anything. And this is the switches for the electric stabilizer jack. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 2 switches, 1 switch in the front, 1 switch in the back. Electric tongue jack, spare tire on a cover, nice rack. And also we have come with the backup camera. That's another beautiful thing about the Cherokee Black Label. Frameless window, here's the slide out. It's a cable slide out, which is big deal. This is not the shrink, which is even better because you remember when you used to have the shrink, they give us hard time. This one is way much better and easy to work on and easy to maintain. Your second outside shower, hot and cold, 30 amp plug, city water connection, black tank flush. I like this one. They give you light for outside, so you don't. So when you do your black water and your gray water, so you see everything. You don't do it in the dark. You don't have to use your iPhone flashlight. Cable hookup, endless hot water heater. That's a big deal. So let's go inside and check the new features of the 23 MKBL. Now, you're gonna see a lot of stuff which is I told for chivalry. These stuff you put it in a high-end unit, how you put it on this kind of unit. And they say, well, we'll try to give our customers extra than the other competitors. So this one, you're gonna see things like, wow, they doing it on this kind of size of the unit and that kind of price? Yes, it does. First, Cherokee is very well known for the zebra shade. This is modern houses. Privacy, full privacy, daytime. Okay. You have a nice sofa in the back. See 3 people as well as a jackknife. So it gives you the ability for a bed. You know, you could see here, I could put this, I could put that. Voila. I could sleep. If it's my size, 2. If it's their big size, 1. If there's kids, 2. So this is another advantage of the sofa in the back. And what you gain, if the cameraman could show you, all this is the storage. That's what you gain with it. Across from it, you have a beautiful U-shaped dinette and typical Cherokee, the 2 big doors on the unit. And the zebra shade and the light. USB plug, I like this touch. So in case if you're sitting here, I could charge my phone with no problem. Now, Across from it, I love this light. You can see how bright it is. And beautiful, very bright. Glass, especially with the light with the glass, making sure that our photo guy take a picture like with the light on. And then kitchen, black label. What does mean black label? Is you're getting solid service. So imagine I have this unit in two ways. I have it standard and I have it with BL, black label. Black label, we saw the gel coated fiberglass outside, the frameless window, plus you're gonna get upgraded countertop on the black label. Nice 3-burner range with the backsplash. Love this LED blue lights. And this unit, it has air fryer, real air fryer, which is convection microwave, air fryers, microwave. So you have electric oven, air fryer, and microwave. 10.8 Furrion, 12-volt refrigerator, fridge and freezer. Battery disconnect switch, LP detectors, storage. And I love this place for your trash can. And they give you also the TV brackets. I tell them, come on, you never left anything for the dealership to sell. You give everything to the customers. I love Cherokee, Gray Wolf. So you have the TV bracket. You could put this at the back of your TV and you slide it and you put your TV right here. Okay, so this is one of the nice features about the Cherokee. Fireplace, nice interthermal centers. Here's the remote control for it, and here's the bracket for your TV. You put your TV plugged in, everything's done. I love the blue LED at the behind the slide out. Full privacy as you see in the unit. Now let's go through bathroom. While we're here, black label, you're gonna get better sink in the bathroom on a black label versus the standard. And you can see fancy solid medicine cabinet, doors for towels rack, shelves, nice toilet. And if you come this way, I have a full privacy, and then I have a place for my towels and a full standing showers with a nice shower head, black label, nice shower head, big skylights, no problem. Okay, so you can see this is the benefit. Going through this bathroom, and again, I have full privacy. I mean, I could use it as a dress room in this unit. As well, you have fantastic fan in the ceiling, suck all the smell outside. Also, you have this closet and that closet, so a lot of closets, plus this one over here too. Now, this one I could go through this to the bedroom. Now, in the bedroom, it's a RV King. That's another advantage for you as well. This one, it is RV King. That's the beauty about this unit. As you see, this one has the place for, CPAP machine right there. You have the inverter, and then you have the shelving. You have all this cabinet. There's in this corner, again, they give you the bracket. You could put a second TV. This trailer, I could put 3 TVs, one outside, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. And again, big closets. And then they give you also the ottoman. Now you're gonna say, what are you talking about? I said, look, they give you everything. There's nothing left for you to buy. Just you need to bring your clothes, food, and dishes. They give you this box where you put it in front of the sofa. You could use it as a box to put your toys, like if you have a grandkid's toys. But I give you this. If you allow me, I'll demonstrate it. And voila. I could put my feet, sit, relax, watch the TV, enjoy it. I use the box. And if it's in your way, you could fold it and put it in one of these closets. Folks, you need to come to Best RV, because after what I did yesterday, I went down south. I went also to a couple competitors. And when I walk in and I saw all this extra fees and extra charges they charging the customers, I was speechless. I don't know what to say. And my goal in this dealership is to give you, number one, the best price in the state of California. Number two is stop the gimmick of hidden fees. Because a lot of dealers, I respect them, that's their business, they charging the customers left and right gimmick fees, and you don't know what's for. Versus here at Best RV, our model is we make the unit ready for you. I don't care if it's a brand new unit or used unit. We wash it, clean it, prepping it. We make sure everything's work, function. Technicians spend 2 hours with you, minimum 2 hours with you, show you how every single item's work and function. The unit plugged in with 110, offshore, full with water. We test the shower, toilet, stove, oven, fridge, air condition, awning, slider, everything. And all this work, we do not charge you not even a penny. And that's what shocked when I went down south yesterday, and what the other dealers charge. And the saving we offer you here, it's worth for you as a customer to drive to this dealership and save thousands of dollars. Don't let the other dealers fool you with the trade-in value and say, I'll give you a little bit more trade-in, and then they make it up on the extra fees. We do not. We're an honest dealership, and we give you the best value, the best deal, and we're working so hard against the manufacturer to pass all the saving to you, the customer, because we care about you. You put us in the business, and we want you to come over here and prove for you we are the best deal, so you could tell your friends, cousins, uncles how this dealership in Best RV in Turlock saved you a lot of money. Come in and put me under the test.